welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to do a cheese flan. We're going to start off with our half a cup of sugar. We're going to place it on the stove and let it melt till we get this beautiful caramel. We're going to put it on our 9-inch pan, and then we're going to proceed to do our mix. We're going to add 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk. We're going to add our 4 eggs, 1 bar of cream cheese, and our vanilla, and we're going to blend it up. Next, we are going to place our 9-inch pan in a deep frying pan, and we're going to add water to it. Make sure that no water gets added into our mix, otherwise it won't turn out like a flan. We're going to add our mix into the pan, and I added a little bit more water simply because it had a little bit. We're going to put the lid on top, and we're going to let it cook for 45 minutes. In between, make sure to go back and add water because the water will evaporate. After the 45 minutes, we're going to use a knife to see if it's done. Next, we are going to scrape the edges so it comes out easier when we flip it. Also, shout out to my mom for helping me flip it because I was struggling so bad. So shout out to you, Mom. Also, I forgot to mention, let the flan cool down a little bit before you flip it so it doesn't break how it broke on our end, because I was in a rush and I didn't want to let it cool down. But that is it. Our flan is done. Very easy and simple to do, and obviously so delicious. That is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll see you guys later. Adios.